So guys, all you have to do is head on to your Google or your Chrome browser. As for me, I like using Chrome browser a lot. It's work perfectly well for me. Head on to your Chrome browser or your Google account and just type in Google FX. Boom. Here it's come. And click enter. Because this shows this here in this what's it called here pop up like this because I've already registered. I'm a registered member. As you can see, if you are not a registered member, you have to sign in instead of just sign out. Because I'm a registered member, you have to sign in, maybe with your Google account or whatever you want to do with your email, but I prefer you to just sign in with your Google account for easy upload. So here is the image effects where you can generate image as well. All you have to do is just enter your prompt here. After entering your prompt, you make sure you lock the seed and the aspect ratio you want to use. You're gonna do, but that's not what we want to do. Let's go to our sound. So here is what you're gonna click on: music effects. After clicking this music effects, that's where you're gonna put the prompt to generate the sound you want to generate, right? This is how you're gonna, whatever sound prompts you get from anywhere, maybe ChatGPT, maybe from DeepSeek, maybe for DALL-E, wherever you generated, wherever you are generating your background music or background sound prompt from, this is where you're gonna paste it. After pasting it, and you come here and make sure this thing, make sure you make this place 30, because sometimes it may automatically set itself to 15, I think, or 10 or 20 seconds. But me, I prefer putting the 30 seconds there so that it can give me a longer sound to use for my video. So this is where you're gonna put the prompts, and then you generate whatever you want to generate. Period. You just click on generate. I think I'm gonna go back to ChatGPT and let's use, for example, let me go to ChatGPT so you can give me a prompt to generate a sound for this video. So ChatGPT has given us something. Let's copy this and then go back to music effects, paste it there, scroll down and click on generate. Just click on it. After you generate this thing and you don't like the sound, you can easily click on this more function, whatever you want. Say it's the rainy day, relaxing, ambient, heavy jazz, scotch, you can add anything there. Guys, I want you to listen to this sound and see. This is a copyright free background music, free sound, guys. You don't need to face any challenges on YouTube. Maybe some people will say you use their copyright sound. This is a copyright free background sound, guys. Listen to this. And the sweetest thing about this, guys, is that this thing it will generate you two different sounds at a time. Let's listen to the second one. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, comment where you are watching from and let me see you saying that I enjoy it, and let me know whatever video you want me to upload in my next videos. See you guys in my next videos. Bye.